1977 MG MGB Convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. As you can see, white with black graphics, black interior, roll bar or style bar, powered by an inline 4-cylinder underneath the hood that's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Go ahead and take a look at the front bumper or fascia on this. Headlight surrounds, bright work. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you to our website where all those pictures will be. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the MG wheels and beauty rings. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see paint shows its age a little bit. One of those cars, get in, drive it, have some fun. Go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or maybe just out on that Sunday afternoon. Sun's out, have some fun. Parade boot fits nicely. There's a windscreen that has been incorporated into that roll bar. We'll put the top up here at the end of the video. Check out the condition of it. And we will also drive this car so you can see how it goes down the road, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you like these British imports, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at the interior. Black vinyl, as you can see. Looks like the driver's seat does show a little wear over here. Spot here in the bolster. Looks like this car has been registered with MG MGB registered 228062. I don't know if you can see that with the glare, but 228062. And let's go ahead, fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood, and then we'll check out that convertible top. Warning chimes work. Tack looks in off. We do have a battery gauge underneath here. Looks like the clock is working. Alright. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Listen to that. Alright, let me pause this a second. I want to get the hood open and let's check out that engine bay. Take a look under the hood and engine bay. There it is. An inline 4-cylinder. Looks like a Stromberg. Carb on it. Zenith. Power brakes over here, as you can see, looks like a newer master cylinder. And you'll be able to check out the engine bay and the still pictures, be different angles in the still pictures also. Let's go ahead and get this convertible top up so we can take a look at that. We'll wrap up this video, but like I said earlier, stick around to the very end, and we're going to take this thing for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Alright, convertible top up. So manual top, folds up easy. One person can do it probably in less than a minute, give or take. Obviously newer black vinyl. Rolled up the side window or side glass. You can see how that fits also. Coming around to the rear. Obviously if you get it out in the sun, let it warm up some of these wrinkles and what have you will come out of it. even in that clear plastic. Softens up, heats up, tightens up. And as far as side glass here, get an idea, nice fit, and nice and tight above the windshield. It latched down and locked properly. 1977 MG MGB Convertible. UniqueClassicCars.com. Call us 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1977 MG MGB, and this is a convertible. We do have the top down today. This is a manual stick right here on the center console, so it's easy to drive and fun to drive. Our turn signal indicator is working, tachometer working, speedometer as well. Even the quartz clock is ticking. Temperature gauge showing about a third of the way up from cold. Yep, she's a 4-speed manual. This is got an oil pressure gauge reading 75 psi and a fuel gauge that is reading 1/4 of a tank. Below the dash there is a battery gauge showing about 14 volts, so that looks good as well. Our wipers work on this car. Factory horn is working as well. I am 6'1" and I do fit in this car just fine. Even though it's a smaller car, you'll most likely fit and be comfortable. Factory looking vinyl bucket seats in this car. Brakes are working well. Corners as it should for a little British car. Very fun to drive. Kind of get that small car feel from these cars, which makes them even more fun. Take a look at all the pictures and learn the details of this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.